Today I'm cooking sadza. I'm just going to add a little bit of, so this is about half a cup of mealie. So sadza is a staple food for Southern Africa, so especially Zimbabwe. So I'm just going to make sure I've added enough meal to start cooking my sadza. So I'm looking for a nice consistent, not too thick, but just enough to bring this to a simmer. So I'm just gonna continuously mix this through. So this is warm water, not too hot, to avoid making lumps. So I'm going to just let this come to a boil. So I'm cooking also for the side dish, my chicken. I'm just going to make it like a chicken stew. So for my chicken, I've boiled my chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then now I'm going to fry in oil for a few minutes. So this is how my salsa looks like. So you see that it's a nice consistent. And I'm going to let it simmer for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will show you the next stage. So this is our dinner today as a Zimbabwean living in Australia. This is usually the staple food of Zimbabwe. While my chicken is cooking, I'm going to add salt and black pepper, just a little bit of black pepper. And I'm also going to add some paprika. And then I'm mixing this through. Guys, today I'm cooking a traditional Zimbabwean meal. Alright. Here I'm going to add one onion, and then cook this. garlic, garlic paste, and then mixing this through. Now I'm going to add tomato puree. You can add a can of tomato or something like that, but I've got tomato puree, and then I'm mixing this. Let this cook. Now I'm adding chicken stock, cubes of chicken stock, and then add water. I'm going to simmer this for a good 15 minutes to 20 minutes until my sauce is nice and thick. See right there? That looks good. Simmer this and I'll come back and let you know how it looks. Now my salads have been simmering for 10 minutes and now I'm going to make the salad thick. So I'm just adding some mealie, just gradually adding mealie. So this is something that is common in Africa and everybody call it a different name. But in Zimbabwe, we call it Sadza. This is something that is common in most African countries. I'm just looking to make this thick. So add a little bit more. So guys, for my salsa, I prefer it this thick. I don't like it too thick. So if you like it very thick, you can add more mealie. But for me, I prefer it like that. So that's how I'm gonna leave it. All right. Now guys, I'm going to cut some cabbage for my side dish. I'm going to cut the onion. All right, this is looking good. Now for my side dish, I'm going to cook a cabbage. Now I'm going to add butter. While the butter is melting, I'm adding one onion. Just cook the onion for 1 minute. Now I'm going to add a carrot, one diced carrot. Then cook for 1 minute. Now adding my cabbage. And capsicum, black pepper, and salt. Adding some salt, a little bit of paprika. All right, mixing this through. I'm going to cover and simmer for 2 minutes.